Alright guys, so welcome to my channel. I am going to put, before I start the video, I'm going to put, follow me on my Musical.ly account right here, right here. Alright, so I'm playing with slime. So, yeah, this is that slime. I really don't like this slime, but I'm gonna keep it. Next slime I'm gonna show you is this slime. I literally love this slime. It looks like a regular slime, but it's actually a water slime. Water. It's not like a water slime, it's watery slime. Yeah. Watery slime. Gaming. It pokes, but it's not stretching. Did you guys hear that? Draw back. That's why I call it a watery slime. See, it's not that stretchy. I'm stupid. I'm cringy. There's a green slime in it from this slime, so see, green slime messed it up. Messed it up pretty. What color is this? White? Yeah, white slime. On camera, it looks pure white, but it's actually like a pinkish color, lightest pink. So, listen. Hold on. It makes farting noise. Okay, it just doesn't want to do it. Come on, like, yeah. It's doing it, but making it soft. Noiseless. Let me go downstairs and get more slime. I'm gonna put this one back. Rob Porter resigned yesterday after both of his ex-wives went public with allegations of verbal and physical abuse. He denies the accusations. Both women say they told the FBI about Porter's alleged abuse during his background check more than a year ago. But Porter remained in the White House. All right, here's more slime. I bought these new containers, but like not recently. Next slime is this nice, stretchy, non-water slime. Slime stuck to the lid, and it has glitter. You guys can't see it. Come on, camera, focus. I don't know why I did this. Okay. Yeah, it's not gonna show. Now this green slime and this one, oh god. Let me see if you guys can see this. Yep, you can see it, kind of. Oh, you like my nails? Okay, so wait. Foam bead. Oh. Foam bead on my arm. Did I already say my Musical.ly? Yeah, okay, good. It's very... Dang, these foam beads is everywhere. Oh, not something. Pokey. Okay, I'm going to just show you 2 more slimes, and then I'm going to show you one more. It's a clear slime, and I'm done with this video, because I'm doing another video today. Next slime is this one. It's a light pinkish purplish color because I can't say this purple because this slime is like a real purple.
Is this a water slime? Nope, it's not a water slime. It's pokey, stretchy, not moldable. It's like it's runny. Another foam bead. This foam bead is just everywhere. If you can see my table, and I'll show you guys my table. Right now, it's literally my noodles, but it's no address. What else can I say? Oh, I'm gonna show you all the foam beads that are on my table. Boop. 1, 2, 3. It's like 3. And look, I have so much I literally cannot show you. On the walls. Oh my god. Oh wait, my camera's about to die, so let me hurry up. So I really like this site. Okay? Okay, I have to hurry up and edit this too. Alright, so next time is this time, well, the last time. It's a firm, moldable purple slime, pokeable, stretchy, and yeah, so I really love it. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I do a new video. So without further ado, see you later. Bye-bye. Peace out.